Hi everyone, welcome back. I know it's been a while, sorry I haven't uploaded in over a month. I was pretty busy with some stuff, and I know school just started. I also had a vacation just before that. And now, I'm finally back with another chem video. This time, it's on metalloids. Alright, let's get started. So, our first element today is boron. There are 5 protons, 6 neutrons, 5 electrons. A relatively simple atom. Once again, I haven't seen any of those in a long time since last time it was transition metals. Anyway, the atomic mass is rounded to 11, and the abundance in Earth's crust, it's essentially just 1,000th. Molecules include Na, B, D3, C, N. And the symbol is B. Boron is found in soap bars, apparently. And it is like the 5th lightest element in the universe. Alright. Now we have silicon. Or silicon. There are 14 protons, 14 neutrons, and 14 electrons. A perfect balance. The atomic mass is rounded to 28, and the abundance in Earth's crust is also 28, except it is also a 0.2, so making silicon the second most abundant element in the Earth's crust. Molecules include SiH3Cl, and the symbol is Si. Once again, like I said, silicon is very common. Other than that, I don't really have much to say about this one. Germanium. There's 32 protons, 32 electrons, then 41 neutrons. So the neutrons outnumber the protons and electrons. Not combined, though. The atomic mass is rounded to 79. The abundance in its crust is really low. 0.00015%. Molecules include Cl2, Ge, and the symbol is Ge. Germanium is pretty interesting. Specifically, its name is allegedly named after the country of Germany. With this, we have another interesting one. And that element is arsenic, which comes right after germanium in the periodic table. The number of protons and electrons are 33, and the number of neutrons are 42, making the atomic mass rounded to 75. The abundance in Earth's crust is a little bit more by just 300,000. Yeah, that's a really small amount. Although the places after the decimal could go all the way to infinity. Molecules include ASOH3 and AS. Antimony. 51. Oh, hold on. Before I go to antimony, I just want to talk about arsenic real quick. Arsenic is apparently a poison. Yes, a poison. Yeah, it's like some sort of death penalty thing. Actually, no. It's like used for poisoning people sometimes. It could also be like acid. Really interesting. So it's probably one of the most dangerous elements other than the radioactive ones, which we will get to eventually. Antimony. Now we can do antimony. 51 protons, 51 electrons, and 71 neutrons. The atomic mass is rounded to 122. The abundance in Earth's crust is Here it comes. 2 times 10 to the negative 5th power percent. Molecules include manganese, Sb. Symbol is Sb. Antimony is Sb, apparently, which is pretty much like an anomaly because it's different from its usual punctuation. Antimony is a big one. Probably barely bigger than, like, heavier than cadmium, which we already learned about. Alright, our last element of the day is tellurium. Apparently, some people say that there are 7, but I'll put that 7th one in the radioactive elements list. But anyways, that's beside the point. The number of protons, 52, number of neutrons, 71, number of electrons, 52. The atomic mass is rounded to 122. The abundance crust is 1,000 times 1 times 10 to the negative 7th power. Boy, that's long. Molecules include tellurium iodide 4, and the symbol is Te. Tellurium is another big one when it comes to elements, just bigger than, or heavier than antimony. Alright, and that wraps about things up. And see you for the next video.